evening, this is Viewpoint. I'm Zaka Jacob. All roads seem to be leading to Lakhimpur, from Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi to Sanjay Singh, Akhilesh Yadav, you name it. All opposition politicians in Uttar Pradesh seem to be headed to Lakhimpur. This beeline, this photo op politics, tragedy tourism, call it what you want. The fact is, who is it actually helping? Is it helping the families of those who died? Is it helping calm down tempers in what is already a tense situation? Is it helping move the investigation forward to get to the truth of what exactly happened in Lakhimpur? And if none of this is happening, is it time for the netas who are making this beeline to Lakhimpur, is it time for them to rethink this photo op politics? On the show tonight, we'll also be joined by a minister in the Uttar Pradesh government, Siddharth Nath Singh. He's the Minister for Exports and Investment, and I'll be asking him some tough questions as to the approach taken by the UP government on this story, on this case. But first, take a look at the day's drama. Today, the UP government made a significant decision to allow all opposition politicians to head to Lakhimpur. So there was drama, first at the Delhi airport, thanks to Rahul Gandhi, and then again at the Lucknow airport, where he said that the security officials there were refusing to let him go, when in actual the reality was that he was refusing to take a police escort vehicle. He wanted to travel in his own vehicle. Ultimately, he's now on his way, along with his sister Priyanka Gandhi, who had been under detention for a couple of days now. They are now on their way to Lakhimpur to meet with the victims' families. The day's story so far.
It was once again a day of high political drama in Uttar Pradesh. Rahul Gandhi, accompanied by a 4-member Congress contingent, arrived at the Lucknow airport in the full glare of waiting cameras. The UP government, in the hope to de-escalate the political standoff, gave permission to Rahul and Priyanka to travel to Lakhimpur. But then there was a standoff over Rahul and team refusing to travel in a UP government vehicle.
मैंने इनसे पूछा, आप हमें बताइए, मैं देश का नागरिक हूँ, मैं उत्तर प्रदेश आया हूँ, आपने कहा कि मैं जा सकता हूँ, मैं जाना चाहता हूँ, आप मुझे क्यों नहीं जाने दे रहे हैं?
After an hour-long tutu meme, Rahul Gandhi stepped out of the Amorsi airport, waded through a sea of Congress workers and made his way to Lakhimpur. His sister Priyanka, who had been released earlier after a 59-hour detention at the Sitapur guest house, had already reached the families of farmers mowed down on Sunday.
हमें विवश होना पड़ा है ये प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करने के लिए, क्योंकि कुछ मुहूर्त पहले हमने विपक्ष के राहुल गांधी जी के प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस को सुना और जो भ्रमजाल फैलाने की कोशिश राहुल गांधी कर रहे हैं, जो वो सदैव करते हैं, उस भ्रमजाल को तोड़ना हमारा कर्तव्य है, हमारा फर्ज है.
In this entire Lakhimpur episode, the Congress party has clearly occupied center stage. But what's interesting to watch is that the Samajwadi Party and the BSP were conspicuous by their absence in this particular area. Many experts and observers feel that the Congress could eat into the anti-BJP votes, which harms the Samajwadi Party and in the long run will certainly benefit the BJP. The game is on as far as the battle for Uttar Pradesh. In New Delhi, Pallavi Ghosh.
All right, first I want to go across to our newsmaker tonight. Siddharth Nath Singh is Minister in the Uttar Pradesh government for Exports and Investment. Thank you very much, sir, for speaking with us. All roads today seem to be leading to Lakhimpur, whether it is Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Sanjay Singh, all of them seem to be headed to the district there to meet with the victims' families. The question that's being asked is, call it what you want, call it whatever adjective you want to use, whether it is tragedy tourism, photo op politics. Who is this actually benefiting? Is it actually helping find the truth behind what happened in Lakhimpur?
Well, I don't think anybody will benefit through the photo op, but some people do love to see themselves on social media and being retweeted. So, and certainly in that, I would say, without any content, then certainly Rahul Gandhi and Gandhi love to do that. So obviously they're going to, from that angle, they will get benefit, but not from any other angle. Because genuinely you need to be, if you are concerned, then you need to express that concern through your actions. But if you had the real concern that you have to go to meet the family and grieve with them, then in that case, this kind of drama that was enacted by Rahul Gandhi at the Lucknow airport wasn't required. You could have sat in the government car because we do need to provide you security. We wanted you to go in a bulletproof car.
Okay.
So all those things were quite important from the security point of view, and also that you are, so we thought that is the right way to do it, but you insisted that no, I would go only the way I feel like. Then certainly government had no objections to it. It took us a while because we had to make certain arrangements. Then you sat on a dharna. So this kind of politics which was played by Congress is something which will be unacceptable by the public of India.
But Mr. Singh, questions are also being asked about the manner in which the government handled this entire thing. I mean, you shut down the district. It was off limits for opposition politicians. You shut down the internet there in the district. Had you allowed opposition politicians to go there on day one, maybe this issue would not have flared up so much. After all, like they keep saying, they are opposition politicians. Why can't they go to a part of Uttar Pradesh or a part of India?
Well, the government was from day one very clear. Perhaps they didn't listen to what we were saying. We said you will be allowed to go, but it's a sensitive area now. Investigation is on. Facts are being collected. Now it is important that we bring peace and order there, which all these things have been taken care to a large extent.
Okay.
And we said, please go ahead. And go ahead in a group of 5. So there was never any intention not allowing them, but it was necessary, so it was done. And perhaps what they are anguished at is the way the chief minister handled the entire issue, brought it within 24 hours under control, after having discussions with all the farmers and making the farmers agree to I won't say agree, it's the wrong word, but between the farmers and the government, UP government, coming to an understanding and moving things forward. So perhaps they were peeved and they looked at, well without our role, things are happening in Uttar Pradesh and things are moving.
Mr. Singh,
certainly it's an
one question
and it should not have happened.
One question that's being asked again by the opposition is, what about Ashish Mishra? It's been 3 days since this incident happened. The car that mowed down people was registered to his name. Whether he was there or not is a matter of investigation. Yes, you filed an FIR. Yes, 302 charges have been pressed. But why has he not even been called for an interrogation? Forget about the question of arrest. It's been 3 days. Why no action against Ashish Mishra? What do you want to say to that?
I think, Zaka, by now, you're a very senior journalist. You understand there is a process of law. And the law also says that you have to have a complaint. Based on a complaint, then you go for an FIR, then you have a preliminary inquiry. And once the preliminary inquiry is conducted, and the sections that have been added based on the complaint in the FIR, they're found true, then you proceed with the law, you will arrest. So please allow the law to take its own course. And I'm certain that things will be unfolding as per law.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Siddharth Nath Singh, thank you very much for joining us. Minister in the UP government for Exports, Investment and MSMEs there, clarifying the UP government's position on this story. Let me now bring in our guest, Vikram Singh, former DGP Uttar Pradesh, Dushyant Nagar, convener of the Kisan Sangharsh Samiti. Dr. Kaushal K. Mishra is the BJP spokesperson, and Rohan Gupta is Congress spokesperson and social media head. Rohan, I'll start with you. You heard from what Siddharth Nath Singh, the UP minister, had to say. You know, it's a simple question that's being asked. There has been a local level understanding between the administration there plus the victims' families. Compensation inquiry has started. Today, the IG of Lakhimpur Range has said that Ashish Mishra will be called in for questioning. How does this, beeline of netas, and it's not just Congress netas who are going, Aam Aadmi Party is going, Samajwadi Party is going, yesterday TMC went. This beeline of netas going to Lakhimpur, how does it help the families? How does it help in the fight against justice? A fight for justice, sorry.
Zaka, I think it's a good question, Zaka. And basically, see, this is not a normal case, Zaka. the Minister of Home, the Home Minister, the State Home Minister's son has been accused in this matter. We have seen the videos, how the farmers have been thrashed, how they have been killed. I am using the word killed. It's not a normal case. And when the evidences are there, you are saying that the compensation to be paid to the family members, is this the justice? Unless and until the people who are culprit behind these incidents, they are not behind the bar, how can you say that justice is done? And I was listening to the minister, UP minister, all the laws apply only to Congress party. When other party leaders were allowed to go to Lakhimpur, why Priyanka Gandhi ji was not allowed? 48 hours she was being kept in house arrest. Why she was not allowed? Is law and order only for the Congress leaders? No. Zaka, it's not a matter of compensation or agreement and all. It's the way the bizarre incident has happened. You have to understand that unless and until the justice is done, unless and the people responsible behind they are the bar, justice is not done.
No. I agree with you on that. But tell me again, I keep going back to this. On the question of compensation, it was with the agreement of the families? Otherwise, we couldn't have come to an agreement. The families agreed to the compensation. The families agreed to the inquiry, the judicial inquiry, as well as this SIT. Today, the IG in charge of that investigation has said that Ashish Mishra will be soon called for questioning. My point is, how does politicians doing photo op politics, or people are saying all kinds of things on social media, tragedy tourism, how does it help the cause of those who died is all I'm asking.
Absolutely, because unless and until the culprits are behind the bar, the justice is not done. Here the culprit is outside. The minister's son, against whom the FIR has been filed for firing, for murdering, he is roaming outside. How the justice is done? We have to fight.
Dr. Kaushal Mishra, please respond. Why is Ashish Mishra still roaming around? He's still giving interviews. It's been 3 days. ये घटना Saturday, Sunday को हुआ था. Today is Wednesday. 3 दिन के बावजूद there's been no arrest, no questioning. What is going on? I mean, अगर ये normal व्यक्ति ने किया होगा, by now that person would have been in bars, behind bars. Dr. Kaushal.
जका
जी,
आपने सुना. मैं रोहन गुप्ता से ये पूछना चाहता हूं कि अगर आज मैं यहां पे उनके अगेंस्ट कोई कंप्लेन लिखाता हूं, मर्डर की कंप्लेन लिखाता हूं, तो क्या उनको बिना प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी के लिए अरेस्ट कर लेना चाहिए? इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं होनी चाहिए? अभी हमारे उप मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धार्थनाथ सिंह, सर रुकिए तो आपको मैंने सुना, आप मेरे को तो सुनिए. अभी हमारे उप मुख्यमंत्री सिद्धार्थनाथ सिंह जी ने क्लियर कहा कि एक ड्यू प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ फॉलो होगा, प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी होगी. FIR डजंट मीन फाइनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन रिपोर्ट, इट इज प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन. अभी प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है. जब ये पूरी होगी, अगर कोई भी गिल्टी होगा, और हमारे जो मंत्री हैं उन्होंने ये कहा है कि अगर उनका बेटा गिल्टी मिलता है या सस्पेक्ट मिलता है या उसका फोटो भी मिलता है तो वो रिजाइन दे देंगे. जब सारी बातें क्लियर हो गई और इसके बाद अगर हम चलते हैं वहां पे जहां पे ये घटना हुई है, वहां पे किसान नेता आते हैं, ADG लॉ एंड ऑर्डर होते हैं, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन होता है, उन्होंने बैठ करके समझौता करा दिया. मैं ये मानता हूं कि जिनके घरों में मौतें हुई हैं उनको कभी कंपनसेट नहीं किया जा सकता. लेकिन जो ये पॉलिटिकल टूरिज्म की बात हो रही है, मैं यही पूछना चाहूंगा कि अभी देखिए छत्तीसगढ़ में 4 आदिवासियों को गोली मार दी गई, वहां दंगे हो रहे हैं और वहां के चीफ मिनिस्टर लखनऊ में बैठे हुए हैं. उसके एक दिन पहले राजस्थान में किसानों के ऊपर लाठीचार्ज होता है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. इसके ऊपर चलिए मैं कश्मीर जाता हूं. कश्मीर में 4 दिनों में 4 हिंदू फैमिलियों को गोली मार दी गई, पर वहां कोई पॉलिटिकल टूरिज्म नहीं हो रहा. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां पे
I think that's a fair point. Rohan Gupta, why? I mean, yesterday 3 people died in Kashmir. Rahul Gandhi could have gone to Kashmir. Rahul Gandhi could have expressed his sympathies with the daughter of Mr. Bindru, who was brutally killed. It's not just in Lakhimpur that people died, no?
Again,
Rohan.
Zaka, it's not that something has happened.
It's not about Congress alone. It's about all political parties.
Okay, Rohan.
मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ, सिर्फ आपकी बात नहीं हो रही है.
सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की है, सब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज की है.
चाहे सपा हो, चाहे आम आदमी पार्टी हो, चाहे बीजेपी हो.
सुन लीजिए डॉक्टर साहब, सुन लीजिए. मैंने आपको धैर्य से सुना. देखिए यहाँ पे जका जो बात हो रही, बिकॉज ये स्पोकन इन हिंदी, आई विल आंसर इन हिंदी.
Yeah, that's fine, absolutely fine.
जिस प्रकार से बर्बर तरीके से, जिस प्रकार से हमने वीडियोस देखे हैं, ये पूरे देश में कभी हुआ नहीं है ज़का। और मंत्री, जो मंत्री के पुत्र हैं, उनके वीडियो है रिवॉल्वर लोड करके घर से जाते हुए। मंत्री के पुत्र के खिलाफ 302 में एफआईआर होती है, मंत्री के पुत्र की गाड़ी पाई जाती है। इतने सारे एविडेंस के बाद में गृह राज्य
कश्मीर में जो हुआ, रोहन, कश्मीर में जो हुआ, 3 लोगों को 1 घंटे के अंदर अंदर 3 लोगों को ब्रूटली मारा गया। उसके लिए कोई खेद नहीं, उसके लिए कोई निंदा नहीं,
दिखाना चाहूंगा।
नहीं, उसके लिए कोई खेद नहीं, उसके लिए कोई निंदा नहीं, लेकिन लखीमपुर के लिए सब लोग जाएंगे।
अभी भी वीडियो दिखा रहा हूं।
Anyway, no, video we have seen. All I'm saying is Kashmir में भी जो हुआ was absolutely brutal. But no opposition politician wants to go there. I'm not saying just Congress. I'm not saying just Congress. No opposition politician wants to go to Kashmir. Be that as it may. I want to go to Nagar Saab, but Nagar Saab, आपके आने से पहले मैं एक छोटा सा clip play करना चाहूंगा. This is the other big story that happened today. Rakesh Tikayat, leader of the BKU, farmer leader, who was also there, attempting this compromise. Today he said something very interesting, and I want to ask Nagar Saab and the other farmer leaders whether they agree with this. Can I play 10 seconds of that soundbite?
किसी बच्चे की वो शर्ट है,
ठीक है जी, वो चलो
बच्चे की एक टी शर्ट है, उस टी शर्ट पे किसी का फोटो है,
वो फोटो भिंडरावाले का है।
कुछ लोग उसको संत मानते हैं और सरकार की नजरों में उसको आतंकवादी मानते हैं।
कुछ लोग उनको संत मानते हैं, कुछ लोग उनको आतंकवादी मानते हैं। क्या ये बयान से आप सहमत हैं नागर साहब? किसान नेता राकेश टिकायत का बयान है, मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं, क्या आप इससे सहमत हैं?
जी बिल्कुल नहीं मानते। हम भिंडरावाले को देश के विपरीत काम करने वाला मानते हैं। अगर कोई व्यक्ति संत भी है, लेकिन अगर वो राष्ट्र के खिलाफ में कोई कार्य करेगा तो वो संत अनुकरणीय नहीं हो सकता, वो हमारा हीरो नहीं हो सकता। उसकी फोटो हम सार्वजनिक रूप से लगाएंगे, वो राष्ट्रवाद को जन्म नहीं।
तो ये जो किसान नेता है, जो किसान के लिए बात कर रहे हैं पिछले 1 साल से, वो इनको मतलब प्रशंसा क्यों कर रहे हैं? वो कह रहे हैं कि कुछ लोग उनको संत मानते हैं। इसका मतलब क्या है?
वो उन्होंने वहां की वस्तु स्थिति से अवगत कराया है। कुछ लोग हैं जो उनको संत मानते हैं, ये उन्होंने कहा।
क्या ये वास्तविकता नहीं है कि इस भिंडरावाले ने जो आग जलाई उसकी वजह से मिसेस गांधी की हत्या हुई?
बिल्कुल
ये सच्चाई नहीं है, ये इतिहास नहीं है।
500% ये सच्चाई है, ये इतिहास है। और इसीलिए मैंने स्पष्ट रूप से आपको कहा, खुले शब्दों में कहा कि हम उनको संत
नहीं। तो किसान नेता लोग जो हैं, आपके जो संगठन है SKM, आपको तुरंत मतलब राकेश टिकायत को वहां से हटाना चाहिए।
देखिए, ये सब बातें जो है, इतनी सबको अपनी बोलने की आजादी है, हर व्यक्ति अपने को एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है।
बोलने की आजादी का मतलब ये नहीं है ना कि आतंकवादी को आप संत कहेंगे। ये है अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी।
श्रीमान जी, उन्होंने दोनों बातें कही है कि कुछ लोग उनको आतंकवादी मानते हैं, कुछ लोग उनको संत मानते हैं, और ये सच्चाई भी है।
आप मानते हैं वो संत, आप मानते हैं वो संत थे?
मैं उनको संत नहीं मानता।
आप मानते हैं कि वो आतंकवादी था?
जी बिल्कुल, मैं मानता हूं कि उन्होंने आतंक, भय, हत्या।
तो किसान नेता राकेश टिकायत अगर कहते हैं कि कुछ लोगों के लिए वो संत है, कुछ लोगों के लिए वो आतंकवादी है, सरकार के लिए वो आतंकवादी है, ये उन्होंने बोला था, तो किसान संगठन को उनसे डिस्टेंस कर देना चाहिए ना, उनको हटा देना चाहिए SKM से।
जी बिल्कुल, ऐसे नहीं हटाया जाता है। बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं जो अभी चल रही है।
No, I'm amazed. I'm amazed about this. I want to ask Vikram Singh, because he was in service when 84 happened and when the whole tragedy around Punjab happened. Here you have some people eulogizing Bhindranwale, and Rakesh Tikayat, who is ostensibly self-appointed, spokesperson of all the farmer organizations, is saying kuch log unko sant mante hain. And this gentleman is happy to be, the leading spokesperson for the farmers, and the farmers are happy to have Mr. Tikayat as the leading spokesperson for them.
Zaka, rightfully so. Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale was a known terrorist, shot dead in Operation Blue Star, and he met his fate. I would say that anybody who tries to utilize him and make him a sant is not doing national service, and he needs to be questioned under what circumstances are you wearing the T-shirt of Bhindranwale, and how are you calling him a sant? By no stretch of imagination was he a sant. A known and a proclaimed international terrorist cannot be a sant. You please to get your homework done. and check up your dictionary what Sant would mean and what a terrorist is. They don't go hand in hand. He was a terrorist responsible for many murders and the fate of Punjab and what happened to Mrs. Indira Gandhi, as you gave in your opening remarks. And if Rakesh Tikaiyat in his wisdom has said that this is totally, for them, it is unacceptable to have him as somebody worthy of veneration, then indeed the police and the administration have a task to perform. Those who were wearing the t-shirts, those who were indulging in the cult of violence need to be accounted for, Zaka. We cannot promote a cult of violence.
No, I am absolutely, I'm convinced that of all the people, forget about the farmers' organizations, of all the people who should be most aggrieved by what Mr. Rakesh Tikaiyat said, should be the Congress party.
Yes.
Rohan, you should take grave exception to what Rakesh Tikaiyat said, not least because, it's part of history what happened to Mrs. Gandhi. It's part of history what the fire that Bhindranwale lit, how it consumed Punjab through the 80s. And here you have Rakesh Tikaiyat saying some people think of this man as a sant.
See, Zaka, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can, Rohan. Yeah, I can.
Yeah. So, Zaka, my point here is, see, that's what Rahul ji told, that, people can heckle, people can attack us. It's not important what is about the Gandhi family. It's about the farmers. We are fighting for the cause of the farmers who have been butchered. That is important to us. Yes, what Rakesh Tikaiyat has told you, go and ask him the question why he has told. I am not here to answer on his behalf.
No, not on his behalf. I'm asking what is the Congress party's position on what he has said?
See, that's what I'm saying. I don't want to comment on that because anybody who is a terrorist obviously is a terrorist. I don't have to comment on that, Zaka. What is more important is where this many number of people are farmers are butchered, why the BJP government has not taken any action? Where the Home Minister's son has been accused.
Sir, but action has been taken. Compensation has been announced with the agreement of the families.
No, it is not
FIR has been registered. Ashish Mishra, there's a 302 attempt to murder charge is there against Ashish Mishra.
No, Zaka, how can you tell that there's an action?
No, and IG Lakhimpur today has said, Lakshmi Singh has said that Ashish Mishra will soon be called for questioning. So these are the four actions that have happened. You said nothing has happened.
72 hours. No, 72 hours. There is no action. It is all lip service what you are talking. What is the action on ground?
Only action on ground. You don't have a position, Rohan. You don't have a position. Congress party does not have a position on Mr. Tikaiyat saying what he said about Bhindranwale.
Absolutely.
You don't have a position.
He is a terrorist, and there is no question of me having any position.
Kaushal Mishra, final word, sir. Final word. Dr. Kaushal.
जाका, आपने सुना सबकी बात. हर आदमी यहाँ पे अपने पॉलिटिकल बेनिफिट को लेना चाहता है. बगल में छत्तीसगढ़ में घटना होती है, राजस्थान में घटना होती है, कल आपने देखा जम्मू कश्मीर में घटना होती है. और सर सुन तो लो रोहन जी.
रोहन, फाइनल वर्ड टू डॉक्टर कौशल प्लीज. डॉक्टर कौशल, फाइनल वर्ड. रोहन प्लीज.
सारा ऑपोजिशन एक तरफ मिल करके
जी
सारा अपोजिशन सिर्फ इस पॉलिटिकल अपॉर्चुनिटी को अपने बेनिफिट के लिए यूटिलाइज करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. क्योंकि उत्तर प्रदेश में अगले 6 महीने में चुनाव है, बाकी और जगह उन्हें चुनाव का बेनिफिट नहीं मिलना है. और ये सारे अपोजिशन एक साथ मिलकर ये कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले, ये जो हमारी सरकार है सबका साथ सबका विकास वाली, ये चलती रहेगी, ये हिला नहीं पाएंगे, ये कितनी भी कोशिश कर ले. और अगर ये लोग लोकतंत्र बताने की बात कर रहे हैं तो इन्हें
समय की प्रतिबंध से I have to wrap up the debate. Thank you very much to all our guests. All I'll say in my closing comment is this: I'm appalled by what Mr. Rakesh Tikaiyat has said. Anybody who tries to eulogize, praise, or believes in the violent, absolutely reprehensible ideology that Bhindranwale espoused cannot be fighting for the farmer, cannot be fighting for the Annadatta. That's a wrap. I'll catch you again at 9 o'clock.